Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're now friends. In this video I will show you the live price prediction of Tron crypto. What's the price change goes in TRX, what's the high price, what is the currently changes occur in TRX coin. In this video I will show you. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Friends, the last 1 hour the currently changes occur in the TRX you are watching live. The change occurred in TRX in the last 1 hour is negative 0.84%. What's this? Oh my god, I never saw this kind of change in any cryptocurrencies. As you can see here, very badly fast occur in TRX coin at this time, and now they are also in the falling mood. That is the last 1 hour price change, and the high price of TRX in the last 1 hour is $0.136432 is the high price of TRX coin in the last 1 hour. Now friends, for more details, let's check it out the last 4 hour price predictions. What's the change goes in the last 4 hour, friends? Absolutely a good change occurred in the previous 4 hour, but unfortunately in the last 1 hour the falling of the TRX coin are starts now. The change occurred in the last 4 hour of TRX is positive 4.17%, and the high price is $0.136432 is the high price of TRX coin in the last 4 hour, friends. If we look the previous on the graph, the TRX coin price predictions of the last 4 hours, so as you can see here they started jumping, but unfortunately the last 1 hour price prediction are in the falls. So friends, now let's check it out the last 1 day price predictions. What's the change goes and the last 1 day in a TRX coin? What's the high price, what is the changes percentage of TRX coin in the last 1 day? The last 1 day changes in a TRX coin is a positive 8.83% occur in TRX, and the high price of TRX is $0.137221 is the high price of TRX coin. So friends, if you look the graph of the TRX coin, so as you can see here they are start moving upward. Approximately the previous last 4 5 6 7 hours they start moving upward, but unfortunately as I show you at this time currently they are the dumping of the TRX coin are starts now, friends. So the dumping of the TRX coin are starts now. That's not mean that you sell your TRX coin. That's mean please hold your TRX coin because it is a temporary funds of TRX coin. As you can see here they are continuously jumping occur in the TRX coin, so please don't be sad at this time. Wait for the big explosion, wait for the big pump of TRX coin and make a good amount of profit with the TRX coin. What's your opinion about TRX coin? My opinion is that please hold your TRX coin because I'm also holder, and my plan is that I'm going goes to sell my TRX coin in the 27-28 April. I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to invest in this coin, please do your own research and also share your opinion in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about cryptocurrencies markets.